Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to How to Global YouTube channel. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can see LinkedIn connections. So this video easy and won't take you a lot of time, will not take, it's really fast. So let's dive right into the video. What you need to do right now is click on your profile, which is there, tap on it, and now you need to go down here to discover more. Tap on discover more, and now tap on manage my network. Click there, and here you can see your connection will show up here. Don't know where to start, see who already know. I don't have any connections, but you might have 200, 300, 3000, 100, I don't know, but you'll see your connections right here. Right here, guys. So I hope this video, guys, helped you. It's a really short video. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and like this video. And see you guys in the next video. Take care.